Adaku, a determined Nigerian graduate, sits in a small, dimly lit apartment surrounded by rejection letters. Despite her qualifications, securing a job feels like an insurmountable challenge. One sunny morning, Adaku ventures into the bustling Lagos market. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas of street food captivate her attention. Adaku approaches a food seller run by Mama Ngozi, a wise market veteran. They strike up a conversation, and Mama Ngozi shares her own story of resilience. Inspired by Mama Ngozi's story, Adaku decides to start her own food store. She invests her savings into the venture, serving her special spicy chicken stew and puff-puff. Word spread fast about Adaku's delicious food. Her store becomes a market favorite, and her confidence grows. One bustling afternoon, Adaku-san brushes against Chijioke's as she serves him a plate of jollof rice. Chijioke has become one of the customers that frequent her shop every time. This day, the eyes meet and an unspoken connection forms. Adaku and Chijioke's frequent meetings at her store turn into conversations about their dreams and aspirations. Their love blossoms amidst the chaos of the market. Adaku finds herself falling for Chijioke's warm smile and kind heart. Adaku and Chijioke's bond deepens as they support each other through life's challenges. In the vibrant market of Lagos, Adaku not only found a livelihood but also a love that would endure for a lifetime.